Hey friends, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make chicken fingers at home at a fraction of the price as if you go through a drive-thru. Okay, you start with your chicken. You can buy chicken tenders. I bought boneless, skinless breasts and I made my own tenders, and that saves money always because the more you do the cutting yourself, the less you'll pay for the chicken. Okay, I like Zatarain's chicken fry mix. You can use flour and salt and your own seasonings. I just like this because it's got a kick to it, so that's what I'm using. So I've seasoned this with kosher salt and it's at room temp, and the first thing that you do, you moisten your chicken, and this is just a little of the mix with water, and then you shake it, and then you just dredge it in the mix. If you want it extra crispy, you dip it in egg, let it drip, and then you dredge it just again. So I'm going to batter all of my tenders and come back and show you how we fry them in a cast iron skillet. Okay, I've battered all the chicken tenders, and when you pan fry, you only need about 1 inch of oil. I have my skillet hot, and all I'm going to do is add the tenders without crowding. I'm going to let them get really crisp on the first side before adding the other batch and frying it. It's always better to do 2 different frying sessions where you're not crowding the chicken because you want it to have plenty of room to get crisp. Anytime you're cooking chicken, you want to have a thermometer because you want to make sure that the chicken is cooked to 165 internal temp. Okay, I've done the first batch, so I'm going to finish the rest of the chicken and I'll come back and show you what it looks like on the platter. So I've fried all of the tenders and I put some kosher salt on them to finish them off, and y'all, they're so yummy and delicious. And I'm going to serve these with assorted sauces, honey mustard, barbecue, ranch. Super easy to fry your own chicken tenders at home.